Hello again. What I want to do is to introduce you to domestic heating controls. Now, remember to use the information you have received with any of the appliances that you're going to install. So look at what they've said, allowing for any changes that may have been made or any modifications which has come into place. So this is just a brief outline for yourselves, okay? Now I'm not going to read this to you, so you can read this for yourselves, and it just gives you a couple of ideas and types. Okay. Now remember to read the information and extract it and make it your own. Again, you'll find some of this information in your on-site guide. Okay. Now again, read the pamphlets that comes with each appliance or components that makes up your central heating system, so you know that you're applying what has been specified at that point in time. Okay. Let me just go back down a little bit and pan out so that make sure you've got the information in place. Now look at the diagrams, okay? Look at what it says and where the wirings are. Now again, look at the valves, read the information given, check that information tells you what you may need to be doing yourselves, okay, on site. Okay, be aware of that. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, and I trust you find this information again useful. Now remember, there's different type of plans in regards to central heating. You have your Y plan, H plan, etc. Okay, make sure that you're compliant with each plan as specified in regards to the installation you may be doing. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.